Oh. God. Why does it feel like I have a hippopotamus on my back? Oh, wait a minute. Do I? I've got a... Do I have an invisible backpack on? I do, don't I? Let's explore. Let's see what we got in... Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a giant ball of stress, and it's a little bit sweaty. Get rid of that guy. What do we get? Oh, it's a brick of self-doubt. Why is it so heavy? Adios. And let's see. It's slimy stress sauce. That's nasty. You know what though? I do feel quite a bit lighter. I feel like I could soar like a bald eagle over the Grand Canyon. It's nice to unpack all that extra weight that we don't need.